Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So I'm here again at the Trafalgar 1 Premier Luxury Suite. It's a commercial development in the heart of New Kingston. Very central location as well, very close to the AC Hotel. We're just gonna do a walking tour just to see the progress of the construction, so definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and definitely leave a comment as well. The wind is very high, so I may play some music just to cut out some of the windiness. This is one of the ATL Appliance Traders Limited, but this is the automotive decision, so it's ATL Automotive. This location have BMW and Mini Cooper. It's Lady Musgrave Road and it's ATL Autobahn. Then this is the AC Hotel, which is next door. It's also the same owner. Owned by the Stewarts. Adam Stewart, now the CEO, our chairman, one of them. Also they have the Sandals Group. And they're doing big in the automotive industry. They acquired 2 new brands. I think one is MG and another is Phantom. They deal with trucks and other heavy duty vehicles. The Stewart Group also have Starbucks license. So they have Starbucks, they have Sandals, they have ATL Automotive. Yeah. So what we're going to take a look at is Trafalgar 1. Again, if the wind noise is too high, I play music. So it's down this side on Trafalgar Road. So yeah, you can get a glimpse from here. So it's really a walking tour, a walking review, because my drone is down. Well, whoever is in charge of the landscaping is doing a good job. The grass is perfect in my eyes. Very nice. They also have BYD, a Chinese brand, Chinese car brand. So they have a lot of new brands they're bringing as well. So Lady Musgrave. There's a development right next door to Trafalgar 1 as well. We're going to take a glimpse on it. That's it over there. Again, share your comments, share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this development, the location, the pace of work, the design, concept.